Good evening and welcome to tonight's weather forecast. My name is Paul Victoria Hosian. Let's start off by looking at tonight's satellite overview. It's showing some fine conditions over much of the country with some partly cloudy conditions over the northern parts as well as Khanti and Kalahari. But for tomorrow, we're expecting some partly cloudy conditions over much of Botswana. And in the morning, some mild temperatures over southern, southeast, Gauteng, southern, central, and northeast of around 13 over Silibe Pico and Platjan, 14 over Gaborone, Jwaneng and Lepepe, 15 over Letlhakane. For the bulk of Botswana, mostly some warm temperatures of around 17 over Veda and Khanti, 19 over Gumare and Shakawe. But for Kasane, some hot temperature of around 20 degrees Celsius. As the day continues, we're expecting some very hot temperatures over Ngami Land and Chobe of around 36 over Kasane and Shakawe, 37 over Maung. But for the bulk of the country, mostly some hot temperatures of around 33 over Jwaneng, Gaborone, Francistown, Letlhakane, 34 over Khanti, and 35 over much of Kalahari. Looking at the active wildfires, as indicated by the red color, is showing active wildfires are burning in some parts of Botswana. The fire danger index, which shows probability of fire outbreaks getting out of hand, is showing very dangerous to extremely dangerous conditions over much of the country. Therefore, the public is advised to handle fire with caution. For SADC cities, we're expecting some partly cloudy conditions over Appleton, Cape Town, and Port Elizabeth with highs of 39 over Appleton. But for Johannesburg, Maseru, and Manzini, some fine conditions are expected. For Lusaka and Harare, some fine conditions with highs of 32 over Lusaka. Partly cloudy conditions over Beira and Antananarivo, as well as Windhoek, with highs of 33 over Windhoek. For Blantyre, some fine conditions and partly cloudy conditions with possibilities of rain over Dar es Salaam with highs of 32. And partly cloudy conditions over Luanda and Kinshasa, but with highs of 32 over Kinshasa, with probability of isolated thunder showers. That's all I had for you tonight. Have yourself a wonderful night.